Just as you can save your favorite charts and tools as part of a page layout, you can save your favorite watch list columns as well. So in this example, I've built a couple of columns showing the percentage changes over various time frames, and you'll see up here it says no layout. But if we click on there and give it a name, so I'm going to call this one performance, and then hit enter. This is now my performance layout, which means I can use it in any other watch lists. So for example, I'm going to open up a list of country ETFs. So this is a CSV file that I've linked. It's all the US ETFs for various countries. So I'm going to open list as watch list, and then where it says no layout, I'm going to select performance from that list, and it's going to automatically populate those columns. Likewise, if I want to change the layout, let's say I want to look at drawdowns, it will replace those columns with the calculations that I saved as part of that layout. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know.